Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get trending Gemini photo updated. Frame your subject in natural light and pick a consistent color palette to match Gemini style. Prioritize composition and negative space so viewers focus on the main element quickly. Capture several variations while adjusting exposure and white balance to keep tones true. Review clips on the device and mark the best take for editing and caption ideas. Use steady framing and deliberate motion to elevate your Gemini photo and create a signature look people will recognize. Move slowly through angles, capturing both wide and tight shots to build variety. Adjust focus to isolate the subject and create pleasing background blur without losing context. Keep exposures balanced and avoid clipping highlights so color grading remains flexible in post. Save your favorite takes and note settings for consistent future shoots. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing updates and tips. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your ride smelling great between location shoots. I link it and other deals in the description so you can find what I mentioned easily. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Edit with intention to highlight mood and texture while keeping the image natural and approachable for the Gemini audience. Start with basic corrections: exposure, contrast, and white balance, then apply a gentle color grade to unify the palette. Use selective adjustments to enhance key details and maintain smooth skin tones where applicable. Export at high resolution and consider platform crops so the main subject stays centered in thumbnails and previews.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.